Hello and welcome to this Escape Campus video. In this video, we are looking at the present continuous positive. So in English, we use the present continuous to talk about actions that are happening now. So where the present simple refers to actions that are a routine or happen usually, for example, I play football, the present continuous are actions happening now. I am playing football. So to form the present continuous in the positive, we have first our subject, next comes the conjugation of the verb to be, and next is the verb with an ing ending. For example, I, subject, am, the verb to be with this pronoun, and working, our verb with ing. It is not I am work. There is no ing, so it's not I am work, and it is not I working. We have no verb to be. So I am working. This is our present continuous. So we have an example. We have a mother and a daughter doing something together. The mother asks, "What are you doing?" And the daughter answers, "I am doing my homework." I am doing my homework. Okay, that was the present continuous in the positive form. Thank you very much.